I think school of maximum to ada ke job ini dream to baksa ba IAS ong na baksa police or thana na baksa air hostess bedrock ke anyone not just believe in yourself and just don't give up. Be motivated every time because nowadays I see people they get demotivated very fast because failures no go pas kango boni okara chakara failures no go ipo kisa putharo bai thangna epono khata badi you just have to motivate nijero thadi and failures no takinki failures in life of no failures are the steps that make you stronger not physically but mentally. So everybody, I wish you all luck. Tai jotono kaam karan kambi tai kaam ke pori di asuna bye.